Hello and welcome to my handcrafted corner. Today we are going to make this beautiful sunflower crochet square pattern. It's made with 4 colors and this is how it looks on the back. Let's get started. For this project we are going to use a 3mm hook and we will start by making a magic ring like this. And then we will chain 1 and make into the ring a single crochet like this and chain 1. This combination of stitches, as you can see, looks very similar with a double crochet, and this will count as our first double crochet. We will make 11 more double crochets until the end of this round, so in total we will have 12. So let's do our second double crochet. Yarn over, so this is our second double crochet, three, 4, and so on. I have now 12 double crochets. I will close the ring like this and I will also close the work by going into the first stitch here and slip stitch. We'll cut the yarn and join the second color. We will start with a slip knot and we can start in any stitch that we want. I will start in this one. I will yarn over and I will start double crochet and I will stop here. I will not pull the yarn through these 2 loops. I will yarn over again and start another double crochet, and now I will pull the yarn through the first 2 and then through the remaining 2 like this. So we have started with half completed double crochets. We will make 3 chains and we will go into the next stitch and make the same thing. So yarn over, start 1 double crochet, stop here, yarn over again, start the second double crochet in this loop, and then go with the yarn through these 2 loops and through the remaining ones and chain. Let's do this one more time. Yarn over, go through the next stitch, start the double crochet, stop here, yarn over again, start the second double crochet, pull the yarn through 2 and now through the remaining 2 and chain 3. This will be our sequence for the entire round. These are the petals of the flower and we will make each petal in each of the remaining stitches. So in total we will have 12 petals. Chain 3, and we will join the work now by slip stitching into the first stitch here, and we will cut the yarn and join the next color. I have already made a slip knot with the new color, and again we can start in any of these spaces between the petals. I will start in this one here by making 3 double crochets. So yarn over first, pull through 2, pull through 2, 2, and 3. Next we will chain 3, 2, 3, and into the same space we will make another set of 3 double crochets. 1, 2, and 3. As you can see, this is our first corner of the square, and we will go now along the side, one of the sides of the square. Next we will chain 3, and we will go into this stitch, the one that corresponds to the petal below. So skip the space, the next space here, and make 1 single crochet. Chain 3, 1, 2, 3, and skip the next space and go into the second one and make the second corner by making 3 double crochets. 1, 2, 3, chain 3, and again 3 double crochets. 2 and 3, and we have our second corner and one side of the square already done. We will continue in the same way. So go into this first chain 3, then go into this stitch here and make 1 single crochet. Again chain 3 and skip the next space and go into this one and make another corner, the third one, and so on until you reach the end of this round. We will start our next round in any of the square sides, and we will go and make 3 double crochets, and we will take both these 3 chains that we have made in yellow and green like this. So yarn over, go through both of them, make 1 double crochet, 2, and 3. Now go into the next space, this one, and take both these 2 chains. One. We will make 3 double crochets here as well, like this, and we will continue to make in the next stitches along the corner half double crochets. So yarn over, go into the next stitch, 1, 2, and 3, and we will make here another one. Again we will chain 3 for the corner, and into the same space we will make another half double crochet. We will go into the next 3 stitches and make 3 half double crochets. 1, 2, and 3. And next we will go again into this loop and make 3 double crochets as we did here. 2, and go into the next space and make 3 more, and the last one, and go in the next 3 stitches and make 3 half double crochets. 1, 2, and 3. Next we will continue in the same way by making the corner in the same way, 1 half double crochet, 3 chains, 1 half double crochet in this space, and in the next 3 stitches again 1 half double crochet in each of them, and again work into these spaces between the petals with a set of 3 double crochets until we get here. I have to make 3 more half double crochets until the end of our work, and last one. Okay. We will join the work by slip stitching into the first stitch and cut the yarn, and our square is ready. This is how it looks, and on the back again. Happy crocheting!